Are you feeling unsure about coming into the clinic due to COVID-19? We know that staying healthy is your #1 priority, and our clinics are open to help you. Our therapists are committed to providing you with a safe, clean environment to receive care. In addition to all of our usual infection prevention precautions, we're following current guidelines as defined by the CDC to combat COVID-19. Our staff wear face masks and gloves and use medical-grade cleaners to disinfect surfaces before and after every visit. We screen all visitors for symptoms and limit the number of patients in the facility. Anyone who enters our facility is screened for fever, staff and visitors alike. And on top of that, we have alcohol-based sanitizer available to you throughout the clinic. We're doing everything we can to keep you healthy so you can continue your care. We look forward to seeing you at your next appointment.